In this video, you'll learn how to integrate Stripe into Lovable. By following these steps, you will successfully connect your Stripe account for payment processing within your projects on Lovable. Begin by navigating to the Lovable website. You can do this by typing the URL into your browser's address bar. Once the page loads, you will see the main interface of Lovable, where you can access various features and settings. Next, locate the settings option on the interface. This is typically found in the sidebar or the top navigation menu. Clicking on Settings will direct you to a new screen displaying multiple configuration options. After that, look for the Workspace tab within the Settings menu. Selecting this tab will provide you with options related to your workspace configurations, including team settings and integrations. Once you're in the workspace settings, proceed to click on the Account option. This section will allow you to manage account-specific settings, including payment integrations and user permissions. Following this, navigate to the Connectors section. Here you will find various integration options available for your Lovable account. Clicking on Connectors will display a list of services that can be connected, including Stripe. Next, you will need to find and select the Stripe option from the list of available connectors. This will bring you to the Stripe integration settings, where you can manage your payment processing preferences. After selecting Stripe, look for the Enable toggle. Clicking on this option will activate the Stripe integration within your Lovable account. Ensure that you see a confirmation message indicating that Stripe has been successfully enabled. Once Stripe is enabled, click on Go Back to return to the previous settings screen. This action will take you back to the connector section where you can review your enabled integrations. Next, select all projects to view the list of projects associated with your Lovable account. This section will show you all the projects where you can implement the Stripe integration. After that, choose a specific project from the list. This will open the project dashboard where you can manage settings and integrations specific to that project. Now, find and click on the AI chat box or prompt within your selected project. This will allow you to interact with the integration and set up payment options using Stripe. Type in Integrate with Stripe in the chat box or prompt. This command will initiate the integration process and allow Lovable to connect with your Stripe account for payment processing. Finally, click on Enter to submit your command. This action will trigger the integration process, and you should see a confirmation message indicating that Stripe has been successfully integrated into your project. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.